Hey, we're at the Excellence Language Facilitating Center, and we're going to take a look at some advanced grammar, C1 level advanced grammar. We're going to talk about alternatives to using the preposition if when using conditional tenses. And the alternatives to using if are going to be these three prepositions. We have as long as, provided, and otherwise. So we're going to use these three prepositions and conjunctions instead of using the normal if preposition in the conditionals. So how does this work? We'll check out some examples with if on the left hand side and examples using the alternative on the right hand side. So let's start with the if sentence here, the traditional if. Here's an example for customer service. You will have unlimited talk, text, and web if you are within the US. If you are within the US. That's the traditional form of the first conditional. We're going to simply just change the if for a as long as. So using the alternative to if, same sentence, same meaning. You will have unlimited talk, text, and web as long as you are within the US. Easy, right? So you just replace the if with as long as. Easy. All right, let's move on to another example, this time with provided. Let's start with a traditional if sentence. You'll receive the free phone if you make a $1 payment. Okay, so here we're using the traditional if in this example. Now replacing the if with provided. Provided. So it has the same meaning. It means exactly the same. You'll receive the free phone provided you make a $1 payment. So it's exactly the same thing on this end. Okay, let's move on to using otherwise instead of if. So in this example, we'll start with a traditional if. If you don't report your device as stolen, you will still be charged. Let's replace the if with an otherwise structure. Report your device as stolen, otherwise you'll still be charged. Now, something to notice with using otherwise, with the otherwise structure, is that one of the clauses needs to be in the imperative form. Remember that in the imperative form is the only time in English in which we don't use a subject. We go straight to the verb because we're giving out instructions, orders, or commands. So in this clause here, there is no subject. It's just straight to the verb. Report your device as stolen, otherwise you will be charged. Another example would be call us to redeem your points, otherwise you'll not receive them, for example. So you go straight to the verb. Or use a coat, otherwise you'll get sick. Okay, so taking a look again, the alternatives for if are, we can use as long as, provided, and otherwise. And that's your advanced lesson for today. Please sign up to our YouTube channel and check out our advanced level C1 classes starting this January 2020. See you next time, y'all.